Boom. There you go. Gentlemen, if you think I look cold, I am feeling very cold. I'm actually excited like a kid in a candy store because I never had a chance to really like have a decent hobby that's developed into something that's hopefully valuable in the long run. But yeah, so today, unboxing. So this is called the contraption or the cage. You can call it whatever you like. And by the way, this is being recorded on my Sony camera. But this right here is going to be for my GoPro. And if this contraption works, I'm going to do it more often. And look, I know it's going to work. And I can tell you it's going to work because it says my name on it already. If you can't see it, you can't see it. It's like it's already branded. It says Push. Pushker is my name. Everybody says it wrong, so people started calling me Push. My fraternity brothers were the first people to call me Push. But this Pushker is really gonna work. So I figured it out, right? This is actually nice. It's a little too nice. So this gotta go in here. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to charge, I'll tell you that much. From this angle, I don't love it, but let's see if this thing turns on at least. Of course, man. Push, you need to start charging your shit. Whatever. I already know what this is. Okay, last part is this, the microphone. I don't know how that's gonna fit on here. Oh wow, it's an updated microphone. Little baby microphone, dang. Why haven't I already been had this? Things are cool too. Apparently this really absorbs water. Okay, so this is amazing. Why haven't I known about this? I've been going around with the biggest microphone like this. You know, this is the old one, so you can see. This is gonna be the new version. It's kind of nice. Kind of nice. Come on, bro. Let's change that language. It's very nice. Gotta go like this. Yes. Anyways, the last part is this. I'm gonna use the fancy. So use this. I'm gonna save this. Extra. Boom. Boom. And there you go. So there's version 1. Here's version 2. What do you guys think? Which one do you think is better? And a little bit of height never hurt nobody. So this is what I'm using right now to shoot all my videos. Obviously I have this camera, which is the Sony. Everybody knows I got the Sony. This camera here is actually better for wide angle, and these, you know, are more rugged. So I'm just happy to have this many cameras right now. Alright, that's enough of the video. Got time to get to work. Peace.